How would you like it if you could sell your own software under your own name, under your own brand, without actually having to develop it yourself? Well, today I'll be reviewing AIOffices, which comes with full white label rights that you can sell to your customers. Now, basically, what you will be selling are AI employees that will do the work for your customers. So you're gonna sell access. And like I said, you can run this product on your own domain. It comes with the front end with white label rights. Now, I'm going to do full review, but in case you're interested, make sure to check out the link in the description. It will redirect you to my website here, where you can find more information about the product, all the features that you're seeing right here. And when you scroll down, you will see here the funnel as well. And it only has one upsell. The front end will cost $37, which already here comes with full white label rights. And then there's also here an upgrade, which is unlimited, which is $230. This is the only upgrade that there is. And this will give you unlimited access, unlimited, there's no limitations, etc. You can read it all on my website. Also, if you pick this up through my link, you're going to get some extra bonuses as well. So make sure to check out that link. For now, let's dive into this and let me show you how the software works. So when you're logged in, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to the right top and you want to create a company. So let me fill out these details quickly. So there you go. This is CoolCat, the CoolCat company here. And then you can choose what kind of company it is. So customer support, e-commerce, education. You can also add new ones. When you do others, you can add new ones. But in this case, I like to do marketing in here. And then you can upload your own logo as well. So let me upload this CoolCat here as a logo. And once it's uploaded here, I can click on Create Company and it will create the company. There you go. There it is. I'm going to click on Create Company. And now we have a new company. So right now here, I can manage all the companies that are in my account. So let's say I'm going to launch this company here. You can see that this is completely blank. There is no company, there's no departments, nothing in here. So the first thing that you're going to do here is you go to the staffs part and you can say what kind of staff you want to hire into this company, that you want to add to this company. Now you got many different ones. So for example, here we got a graphic designer here. We got a marketing specialist in here. We got a technology marketing innovator in here. So advertising and content marketing, customer service and marketing expert here, inbound marketing. So you can see a lot of different ones, YouTube script writer, therapist here, social media expert, search engine optimization specialist. So let's say we want to do something like a marketing manager here. Or let's go to the top I like here, marketing specialist. We're going to hire this one. And then you can give this a name. So here it says Koa Kagan. You can say also, you can rename this marketing specialist. You can give this your own name here. And then you can see the prompt that comes with this specialist here and the photo. Now you can upload other photos as well. And you can create your own specialists as well. I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Now in here, you can choose from the different voices. So you can say, okay, this is a male voice. So let's say we're going to take this one. You can listen to them here.
AIOffices is the next level, revolutionary app that lets you build your very own AIOffice.
So this is Indonesia. Here you got Aiden, a male voice.
AIOffices is the next level.
You're not really going to use these voices unless you want to hear what you're doing. So I'm going to select this one here. And then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on hire now. And now I've hired this first staff member. Now I can go to all the other available staff. So let me add a few quickly. So I've added 3 others quickly here that I want to hire inside of this account that can be used by the different departments. So first you choose here the staff members that you want to use. Now there's also an option to create a custom staff. I'm going to show you that as well. So let's do that first. So when I click on custom agent in here, I can create one. So when I click on create here, I can give this agent a name. So let me fill out these details. So I fill out the information. I said, you're a FaceForm expert. And this is a male here, custom role, you are a FaceForm expert. And then I've uploaded this image. Now, let me explain you why I've done this. Because I want to promote a product here, which is FaceForm. And I can get all the details here from the sales page, which is FaceForm, for example. So I want to have one expert for this specific product, because you can create an expert in that area and you can train that expert as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click next here, and then I can select the tone. So I can say, for example, I want to have a professional tone here, and the style needs to be, let's say I want to have the style here creative. And then the next thing that I can do here is a new directory. When I click here, I can train this. So I'm going to say FaceForm directory, and I'm going to copy this here. I'm going to paste that, and I'm going to create a directory here. Now, what I can do is I can train this employee here by uploading documents like images, PDF, or doc files. I can import a website URL, or I can write anything in here. So I can take this URL here, or I can simply say, for example, let me select this word here, and I'm going to select everything. I'm going to copy this. I go back and I paste that content in here. So now I have all the information from the sales page, and I'm going to click on create, because this is the fastest way. So we do not have to wait for the import website. And here you can see the doc. Now you can add multiple content pieces to this specific AI model. Now I can go back here and I can say, okay, I'm going to click on next, and I want to use the directory that we just created here. And I'm going to create this AI. Now you can see that this custom agent is now in here. So I can hire this one, and I see that it didn't save my picture. I like to have my own custom picture. So let me upload this one quickly. And that was because I needed to create a knowledge base first. But when I click next here, this one is selected here. I'm going to click update all. And now let me refresh my screen. There you go. This is now my new agent that we're going to use. There you go. There it is again. So I can now also click on hire, and we're going to call this FaceForm expert Tim. And this is now the expert that I can use, and I can give this a voice as well. So let me quickly select one and click on hire now. And now this custom agent is also being added to my arsenal. What does that mean? That I can create these kind of agents for my customers as well. So when you sell white label options, you can sell these agents, you can add these agents to their accounts as well. So you can train them with their company data, and they can use these agents. So this is very cool. Let's go back. So here you have your agent. When I go to staffs in here, and you can see the staff here, you can see here the hired staff. You can now see that my agents is now also in here. Now we have the first thing that we said, okay, we want to have those agents. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create departments in our company. So for example, here we can do a YouTube department, and this department is everything about YouTube. So from here you can select the staff member. So I can say a FaceForm expert that we just created. This is one that I can use inside of this department. And I also want to have my Justin Phillips, my YouTube expert as well. And let's say we also want to have Naomi here, who's a sales copywriter, or maybe we want to have Koa here, the marketing specialist. We can select this one as well. And we can also upload a picture in here if we like to. Now, when we create this department, we can start working in that specific department. So it will be ready here. This is my YouTube department, and I can start creating conversations inside of this department. So you can create multiple departments in here that you can work in. So you simply open that department in here, and from here you can start creating projects. So let's say we want to have the project here like FaceForm, and we already trained our agent, but you can do it multiple ways. I just want to show you the most options. So we want to do a FaceForm promotion in here. This is my project, FaceForm promotion. We want to create YouTube videos and sales copywriting, etc. And then when I click on create project in here, we can do the same thing. So we can add all the details in here. So for example, we can paste that information in here again. We can upload documents, and we can import a website again. So you simply click on create, and now we have this department in here, or our project in here. So this is a project inside a department. So when we click on this, we can create conversations inside of this project. So let's say we want to create a YouTube video. So say YouTube video, and we're going to select the project here, FaceForm promotion. Now we can say create a new conversation in here, and we can start create conversations inside here. So now we can start adding questions in here. Now when I type the add here, the add sign here at the bottom, I can choose with which AI expert I would like to chat. So for example, when I say I want to talk to FaceForm expert Tim, I can select him and I can say, write a YouTube video script for me. And now I type enter. And now it's going to use the information. It's going to write the script for me. Yeah, there it is. So now it says I can help you with that. To provide a tailored script, could you please provide me with some specific details about the YouTube video you had in mind? Now, what you can do as well here, when you click on this plus button, you can upload files as well. So I have a file here with information on my computer here. Let me grab it. This is the information here. It's uploading the file. There you go. And I can add this to the chat. I can say here is the info. And now it's going to write for me. So it says based on the detailed information provided, here it's going to do everything for me. So here you go. Let me see if I can zoom in here. So it says here, based on the information, unleash the power of FaceForm, transforming media with cutting edge technology. Are you ready to revolutionize your media creation process? Blah, blah, blah. Here it says the main points. But now I say, okay, write a YouTube review script for me that I can use to create a review video. And now it's going to write that for me. And I'm still talking with this FaceForm expert Tim, but I can basically use any of the experts here. So it's writing here. So let me come back. So it's finished here. And here it says all the information. So welcome back to your channel, where we dive deep into the latest, greatest products here. Overview, briefly introduce the key features, share your personal experience here, outline the pros of the product service name, showcase the product, share feedback. And here you have everything to create your video. Now, what I notice here is that it somehow does not mention my name, which I think is not a good thing. I think it should have remembered what we discussed about. So let me see if I can do this again. So let me say, okay, write let me see here, YouTube script for me. Okay, so I wasn't clear about here for FaceForm, for me for FaceForm. Let's see if this performs better, because I should have said what I would like to talk about, right? So let's see what it comes up with. Yeah, now it's mentioning FaceForm in here. So I can also say here, let's say, what is FaceForm? Please explain. And here you can see it's answering me about FaceForm. Let me see here. Is an innovative AI-powered platform that offers a wide range of tools, features from transforming and enhancing media content. You can create avatars for faceless channels, generate fiction characters of stories, design brand mascots for business, and produce scroll-stopping content for social media. It has the ability to transform videos of individuals into different characters with just a single image. So here it's explaining things to me. But let's say I want to do something different. I want to write something else. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this exparent here. And I'm going to say I want to have the marketing specialist in here. So I want to do write a promotional email promoting FaceForm, explain the features in the email. And now I'm chatting with Koa here. And let's see what it comes up with. And it's writing the email here. Look at this. And there you go. We got the email. So key features here, create stunning avatars, transform videos instantly, perfect lip sync talking avatars, seamless face swapping. So it did exactly what I asked him to do, and it created an email for me. Now I can also say, okay, write a webinar invitation email for me. Invitation. So here, write a webinar invitation email for me for FaceForm's webinar starting tomorrow, 10 a.m. ET, where we show all the features and offer special discount during the webinar only. So write that for me. And now the marketing specialist is going to write that email for me. Here you can see all the details. So let me finish this writing here. So, hey, we're excited to invite you to an exclusive webinar showcasing FaceForm, the revolutionary AI platform that's transforming the way we create media. Join us tomorrow. Webinar details here, what to expect. You learn how to harness the full potential of FaceForm with demonstration and its key features. Create stunning avatars, generate engaging human, non-human avatars for your projects. And here, scroll stopping, blah, 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 reserve your spot. And the email is being created. And this is inside one project. So I go back here to the promotion. This is YouTube videos, but I can also say, okay, a new project could be email marketing. And from inside of this project here, I'm going to create all the emails inside of AIOffices. So now when I select email marketing, I can do exactly the same thing. And that's basically how you set up different companies in here, like Cool Cat, Innovative Tech Solutions, Tim's company, which you can switch between if you want to work in these different companies as well. So in here, inside of the conversations here, you can see the conversations that you have here, the project conversations here. And also you can embed conversations as well. You have no embedded, but you can basically, let me see here, when you have a agent, no, it's an agent, you need to go to the agents in here. So to the staffs, to the available staffs and the hired staffs, I think it's this one. You can embed this. So when you click on embed here, you also get the embed details. You can create a new embed here. And you can say, I want to have this to my website. And you need to add your website. So for example, timverdouw.com. And you can select your autoresponder if you'd like to grab leads. And then you can click next here. You can also collect payments if you like to, if they want to use this feature. But let's say next here, you can customize this with the theme. So you have light and dark. You can change the brand colors, the different fonts that you can use, also the card size. And you can create this embed. And now you can add this to your website. You get a code here that allows you to add this expert to your website as well. And that's what you will see also in the conversation step in here, where you can see it. So that's in the embed conversation. Here in the project conversations, you will just see all those conversations that we just created. In this case, this one is empty. This one we already created. So here you can see the conversations that are in here. And that's basically how you create the different parts inside of your application. Now at the right side here, when you go to white label, you can see here that you can add your own name. You can add your own OpenAI key. You can add your own logo, and then also you will be able to add your own domain as well, so that you can run this application on your own domain name. So that means that your customer will see your domain, your logo, etc. when they log into the software. So that's what you set up here inside of the customization. You can also add payment to your chat here, to your application. So you say monthly 30 or yearly 360. I'm not sure where you can modify these, but I'm sure that you can somewhere modify these so that you can ask payments to use this. You can set up memberships here inside of AIOffices. You can also create different users and modify these users in here. And inside of the application, you can also add team members as well. You can click on here. So the team members will be able to work inside of that application that they get access to as well. So another few things here. So you have your privacy. So in case you would like to download your data or stop processing your data or delete your data, that's possible. There's also integrations. These are the integrations that are supported at this moment. And then also there's help and support where you can see videos, tutorials, etc. on how the software works. And that's basically what AIOffices is all about. You manage everything from inside one platform, all your customers. And again, you can sell this under your own name, your own brand, your own logo to other businesses. Now, again, if you're interested, check out the link in the description for more information about the pricing, available upgrade, which is only one in this case, and some free things that you're going to get for picking this up through my link. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done yet. I do a lot of product reviews similar to this one. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope to see you in my next video, and talk soon. Cheers.